of the most common frustrations I see with students is getting sprites back home after they run their creations, after they press this play button. Let's say I want the sprite to change by X, so meaning I want it to move to the right. Well, every time I play it, it's going to move a little over to the right, and it's never going to go back to the starting place unless I take it and drag it back. Well, that's really annoying for your audience. How will they know what your sprites are supposed to look like and where they should go? Initializing is the process of describing to the computer what your sprite will look like when the program starts. Where will it be? What direction will it face? What will it look like? Will it be visible or invisible? So before you start adding fun pieces of code, there's a few things you should set up. Point in the direction. What orientation is it? So 90 is straight up and down. If I move it this way, now it's turned. So we want our objects to start straight up and down when it starts. We also want, if it has a costume, meaning up here if there's more than one, I'm just going to right click duplicate and quickly change the look of this one. Which one do I want it to start on? So I could say block P or P2. So I'd say block P. I might want to say I need to set the size. I'm fine with these being at 100%. If I wanted them to be smaller, I could set that. I might want to say if I should show this or hide this. Or if I'm using any of these effects, I may want to clear graphic effects before it starts. Now all of these can be dragged over to the other sprites so you don't have to put them in each one of them. See? But there's one that you'll have to do manually each time, which is setting the position. Where is this on the stage? So wherever it is right now is right here, the X and the Y. See, it's matching. Negative 159 matches this, negative 159 for this P. So I could just drag this out right here. But I can't drag this block to the next position or they'd all stack up in the same spot as the P. So I have to go to my L block and notice the numbers are different. And so I'll drag that out. Do this for each one of your blocks. So to review, you need to set up the location and the orientation of your blocks. You also need to set up the way the blocks look, whether they're hidden or visible.